Hey everybody, what I've got today is a really cool set of 18th century American pocket change. Or maybe some of it is early 19th century, so say maybe if you had stopped a farmer in 1810 and looked inside his pocket, some of what you would have seen looked like this. What's missing is a higher spread of foreign coins, actually. A lot of what circulated in the early United States were Spanish-American coins or things from all over Europe, so British, French coins, and the like. So if you had looked in somebody's pocket, you wouldn't have seen such a high percentage of American coins like this, but this is cool. We've got some of the early American silver dollars, so you can see a 1795 flowing hair and an 1800 draped bust. Early American half dollar, you can see here a 1795 half. A really nice 1807 draped bust quarter. That coin is maybe about uncirculated or so. And then some copper. So we have a 1793 half cent, 1794 half cent, and a 1793 large cent with the wreath reverse. And then here we've actually got two cut pieces of Spanish-American silver. It was a really common practice to cut coins to make change in the 18th and early 19th centuries, and one of the reasons that the Spanish 8 real coins were called pieces of 8 is because they were cut into eighths very frequently, each eighth being worth about 12.5 cents. So what we have here is probably a 18th century Mexican 8 real. You can see it has the MO Mexico City mint mark there that got cut in half to make a 4 real coin, so it's worth about $0.50. And then we have a 2 real here where you can actually see 17, so the date started with a 17 that has been cut into a quarter. So a quarter of a 2 real was worth about 6 1/4 cents. So kind of a funny thing to think of having a 6 1/4 cent piece in your pocket, but once upon a time that was a pretty common thing. Here you can see the reverse side of all these coins. The $1795 has the different eagle on the reverse compared to the 1800, which has the large or the heraldic eagle. This was called the small eagle. You can see the 1793 large cent has the wreath reverse. The 1807 quarter has really nice detail and luster on the reverse. It's a really pretty, about uncirculated coin. And the 1794 half cent down here just has really nice sort of chocolatey surfaces. Just a really great circulated coin. Hope you enjoyed this video. A really cool example of what you might see if you peeked into the pockets of an early United States citizen, 200 or 210 years ago.